Hello students, today we are going to start the lesson number 16 Ajay Sah Bhavishyati. As earlier we have already seen the part 1 of this lesson. Now Ajay Sah Bhavishyati means he will invisible. So now in part 1 the 2 shlokas we have already seen. Now the more verses that we will see in this video. Now here from the third number verses will start, and the third number verse is like this. सर्वे इंद्रियाणि संयम्य बकवत पतितो जनः कालदेशोपपन्नानि सर्वकार्याणि साधये. So here in the first number that will learn the quality of lion, then the second number that the crane. Now the third number that who is there. So first that we have already seen the how the different animals. Then second number the lion. Now in this slok that the crane. So that which quality that will learn from crane that we will see. So here sarve indriyani. तो सर्वे मतलब all, इंद्रियाणी means organs. So all sense organs. संयम्य means control, having control. So the all sense organ having controlled. Bakavata means buck means crane. Patito jana means a wise man. So the who is wise man, he is control of your all sense organs. Now Kaladeshopapannani means in the right time and right place. Sarvakaryani sadhaye. Sarva means all. Karyani means work. So all the whatever work that is a wise man sadhaye means to should accomplish, मतलब वो complete करता है, वो हासिल करता है. So now here from the crane, now the whole translation is like this. Sarve indriyani sanyamya means that we'll learn from the crane that we have to control. Sanyamya means control. We have to control all our sense organs. And who is a wise man that is in the right place and in the right time. So the person who is a very wise, gentle, that is that to do whatever the right time, whatever the right place. Why this is telling over here? Because as we all know that whatever the crane is there standing in the river or in any place in the pond. But whenever the fish will come, so at that time in the right place and the right time the crane catch the fish. So crane से हमको ये सीखना चाहिए कि right time right place पे हमको हमारी सारी इंद्रियों की शक्तियों से हमको वो कैसे कंट्रोल करना चाहिए. Now the next one, but before starting that we'll see the word meaning of this verse. And here that sarve indriyani, sarve indriyani should be accomplished means siddh karna. So the word meaning is like this. Sarve indriyani means all sense organ. Sanyamya means having controlled. Bakavata means crane. Kaladeshopapannani means right time and place. Sadhaye means should be accomplished. Accomplished means siddh karna, usko hasil karna. So now from the crane we'll learn this. Now in the next slok that प्राप्तासि स्वल्प संतुष्ट सुनिद्रा शीघ्र चेतना प्रभु भक्तश्च शूरश्च ज्ञातव्या स्वगुणा हि षट्. So here that from the crane we have already seen that which quality will teach, मतलब crane and lion will teach the one quality. But now here that the dog. So praptasi means the one who eats whatever is available, means from the dog which quality we'll learn, that we'll see. So here praptarshi means to get. So the dog is very satisfied that whatever he wants to eat, मतलब उसको जो खाना मिलता है वो उसमें ही संतुष्टि मान लेता है. So praptarshi स्वल्प संतुष्ट means satisfied is very little, means suppose that thing that the dog get a small thing, then also the dog is very satisfied. Sunidra means sleep well. So that whenever any that tension or whatever is there, but the dog sleeps very well, मतलब वो अच्छे से एकदम सो सकता है. शीघ्र चेतन means suppose if you are going near to the dog, so at that time the dogs wake up quickly. So शीघ्र चेतन means getting up quickly. So wake up quickly. प्रभु भक्त means devoted to his master, मतलब faithful. And surascha means brave. And gnatavya swaguna hi shatah. Swaguna means own qualities, means qualities of dog. Gnatavya means to know. He means really. Shata means 6. So these 6 qualities will learn from dog. So that lion we have 1 quality, crane we have 1 quality. Now the dog will learn the 6th quality. Again we'll repeat the which 6 qualities, that to get that whatever we want at little, that will get satisfied. Now the sunidra sleep well, wakes up quickly, Sigra Chetana. Then Prabhu Bhaktasya means devoted, his master. Then Surascha means brave. And Gnatavya Swaguna means qualities of dog. So these 6 qualities we have to learn from dog. So now we see the word meaning. Praptarshi means one who eat what is available. Swaguna means qualities of dog. So here the word meanings are like this. Praptarshi means one who eat what is available. Swalpa santushta means satisfied by very little. Then sunidra means sleeps well. Gnatavya means should be known. Swaguna means qualities of dog. So these 6 qualities we should learn from the dog. Now the next sloka, that avishramam vadeha bharam sitoshna cha navindati sasantostha nityam trini shiksheta gadarbhata. So here the sloka is like this, that the sloka is telling about the donkey. So from donkey which 3 qualities will seek, which 3 qualities will teach, that we'll see in this verse. So here that avishrama means tirelessly, means that avishrama, तो donkey जो है वो ऐसे कोई भी रेस्ट लिए बिना continuously it is doing a work. Avishrama vahed bharam means bharam vahed means the carries burden. तो कितना भी over burden है, then also the donkey is not speak a single thing. Then Sitoshna mat, Shit means cold, Ushna means hot. So in the cold also and in the hot also means whatever the season is there, in that. Nacha vindanti means does not get. Avishrama bharam vahe chitoshna nachana vindanti. Sasantostha मतलब संतोष मतलब satisfied, satisfaction. Nityam means every time. Trini shikshet gadarbha. Trini means these 3 qualities will learn from the dog. So which one? That tirelessly that he is doing work, when whatever the overburden is there, then also he does not say anything. Then sasantostha, santosh means satisfaction. So with that satisfaction the donkey is doing the work. So now we'll learn these three qualities from the donkey. So the word meaning is like this, that avishramam, avishramam means tirelessly. So the word meaning is like this, avishramam means tirelessly, bharam vahed carries the burden, sitoshna means cold and heat, na vindati means does not get. So here now these qualities we'll learn from the donkey. Now we have seen that the crane, then the dog and the donkey. Now the more verses are there, more animals, that we will see in our next video. Thank you.